Robots will help Chinese firms cope with rising rates and the trade war. In the world, there is only little clothing that shows the seriousness and elegance of white-collar shirts. That is, business employees are using this trend to highlight the world of money and professionalism. Although only a few white shirts are sold as desperately as those of the Bai stores in China. The name Bai highlights the mark in a certain way, so his white shirts have the name of scientist. Eskiel, owner of Bai and Big Shirts manufacturer, not only takes her shirts seriously, but also worries about the upward mobility of her approximately 56,000 employees, half of whom work in factories.
Unusually, for the textile and clothing industry, she's interested in increasing his salary and productivity through mechanization. Chinese companies are betting heavily on automation to remain competitive. In 2017, China's installations of industrial robots rose by 59% to 138,000. The Chinese government is happy to throw money at existing manufacturing industries in order to help them tool up. That will help keep the robot revolution running. On some lines, robotic arms switch trimming colored bottoms and pressing blankets. So it means that the devices so fit jobs, like making sure that tiny pearl-colored buttons for Banana Republic have the word banana on the top. The productivity has improved, keeping the firm's profits stable despite a tripling since 2006 of its average monthly wage in China, to 4,500 yuan. Automation is also expected to help scale in the trade standoff with America. Despite the frictions, Marjorie Yang, Scale's chairman, is in effect doubling down in China.
Two factors are likely to encourage manufacturers in China to remain loyal to their home market. 1. Sheer size. Willie Shin of the Harvard Business School says that this enables them to practice and refine their production process on a scale that allows them to keep cutting costs. 2. The skill of the robots themselves. He says there is so much embedded knowledge in today's machine tools that China can quickly start creating products that may have taken a generation to develop previously.
Chinese firms may use the opportunity to become even more efficient, rather than wilting in the face of adversity. In China, the long run, that will make China's economy more resilient. But the use of robots in China's fashion industries is not exclusive. In Norway, a new intelligence factory uses various robots in a system developed and implemented by the system integrator Intec Engineering. A dozen industrial robots, each in their respective cell or workstation, carry out different steps of the manufacturing process. However, to achieve the high efficiency, safety, and comfort of a modern smart factory, Intec engineers need to connect the cells intelligently. Intec has been using Omron products and solutions for decades, and it's currently taking the use of autonomous smart vehicles to the next level. In the production line of the new factory, 8 LD robots are used to support the production cells. Mobile robots are controlled by Omron Enterprise Manager, which plans and coordinates their movements in the system and acts as central brain. There is a robot inside a robot.
When the map of the production system is provided, Enterprise Manager decides which robot goes in each part, based on several factors running from position to battery level, in order to maximize efficiency like the rest of the system. Enterprise Manager makes quick decisions on the fly to avoid wasting time. Enterprise Manager ensures that there is always a mobile robot waiting to pick up the finished product of a cell and move it to the next phase. It also checks if the robot starts to discharge and send it to the charging station, even if it is only a moment in the middle of what it's doing to practice a quick charge of the battery. Not counting, of course, the scheduled downtime during which it sends all robots to recharge. It allows you to easily expand an installation because when a new robot is added, no additional programming is required. Enterprise Manager will simply incorporate you into your available group and give you instructions on where you should go.
The industrial robots of the plant work at high speeds, so it is dangerous for personnel to enter production cells while they are in an operation. For this reason, each cell incorporates a laser screen that detects if someone automatically enters and disconnects the system. Enterprise Manager can notify cells every time a robot is about to enter to prevent emergency shutdown when the robot goes through the laser screen. When they move from one cell to another, the robots use their own sensors to detect if there is a person or an object in their path and surround the obstacles or stop to pass.